Right now we have 40 teams per the court's procedural order that are currently working to recount the ballots here in the Attorney General's race. So when we do the canvass, we're simply going through the statements of results from the machines. We're not physically looking at ballots. So for the undervotes, this is the first time that an individual person has looked at that and tried to discern voter intent. We got started promptly at 7 o'clock this morning. We had a large number of observers as well as recount officials who were here and present at the break of dawn to get started. We believe we got right out of the gate pretty quickly compared to some of the other jurisdictions. I believe we started our actual first counting of ballots around 9:30. It took about an hour to process everyone in, do our training, as well as also give everyone their oath of office for the next 3 days. We do not have any numbers yet. We do not anticipate having numbers for the foreseeable future. What we will be doing is, as we get a number of precincts checked off, we'll let you know how far we've gotten. And when we do later press availabilities, I will have updates in terms of numbers as to how many precincts we've gotten through and what the pace is. We're going to be able to tell you the up or down differences between the election day numbers and the numbers in the recount for each of the two candidates. So we're looking forward to, so far, a clean recount. We've not had any real issues, but we've not had anything significant that would lead us to believe we're going to have any difficulties down the road.